Hi, today we're going to discuss how to change your Sentinel web interface from the threat response default interface back to the normal Sentinel interface pre 8.x versions. Now, as you can see, I'm already in the threat response dashboard interface, which is the default that comes up when you log into Sentinel. If you want to simply go to the old interface, you click on the little lighthouse. It opens up a new window, and here you are. For long-time Sentinel users, this probably looks familiar because this is what it was before we introduced the threat response dashboard. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and close out of this and come back here. Now, for those who don't really use the threat response dashboard and want to always log into the old web interface, Sentinel web interface, we can go ahead and change one of our configuration files so that happens from this point on. So I'm going to open up a PuTTY session, which it's already open, and I happen to be in the file, but I'm going to go ahead and get out just so that I can show you the path I went to. So the file I'm looking to update is the index.jsp file, and that's located in var opt novell sentinel third-party jetty web apps root directory. As you can see, I'm already there. So first thing you want to do is make a copy of that file. So we're going to do that. Should always be get in the habit of doing this when you make changes to any of the files. Okay, and then let's make sure files there. Okay, there's our copy. Okay, now we can go ahead and update the existing one. We're going to use vi. So vi index.jsp and open the file. So there's two lines in this file that we need to update. We'll need to change app. If you look at the background, you'll see my IP address, port, and then it has /app right after that. So that's what needs to change in this JSP file. So we'll go ahead and do a search for the word app. There's only 2 instances of it in the file. So here we are. The first instance is right here. So we're going to go into insert mode by typing I. Then we're going to backspace, delete, and now just type the word Sentinel. Okay, let me see here, make sure we got the syntax right. Okay, that looks good because all we're doing is changing from app to Sentinel. Everything else we should be able to leave alone. Okay, let's see. Okay, now for the next setting, next change I should say, there's app. Okay, change that to Sentinel, and let's make sure our syntax is okay. Yep, that one looks good too. I always want to make sure any quotes or question marks, anything that we didn't delete any any of the characters that weren't supposed to be deleted. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and get out of the insert mode by hitting the escape key. And then I'm going to type :WQ to save the file. Okay. Okay, let me go ahead and minimize PuTTY. And we're going to go back in. I'm going to go up to the URL and I'm going to backspace until I am at just the IP address and the port. And I'm going to hit enter. Okay, so now you'll see up in the URL it has Sentinel right after the port instead of app, and now we're back at the default Sentinel interface pre 8.x. Thank you for watching my video, and that's all I have.